Hello friends, this is Praveen. Welcome to the course on PHP and MySQL. In my last video, I have discussed about loop statements in PHP. Today, I am going to discuss about function in PHP. Function in PHP. A function is a block of program which can be used repeatedly in the program as per the need. What is the advantage of a function? Advantage is real usability. Function can be called as many times as one wants in PHP script without making any changes in the function. Easy error detection. Error detection is easy. If codes are divided into functions only, then we need to check only in functions for errors. Easy maintainability. If anything is to be changed, then it only needs to be changed in the function, and in the rest of the PHP scripts, this change will be reflected automatically. A function gets executed only if it is called in the program. It means after creating function, it needs to be called in the PHP script when needed, otherwise it will not execute. PHP has more than 1,000 built-in functions which can be used to perform different tasks. For example, we have seen var underscore dump, substr, array, strlen function, etc. Besides PHP built-in functions, user can create their own function to meet the requirement. How functions can be created? A function can be created using function keyword. Syntax is function, function name, and then function name, then arguments needs to be passed within this parenthesis, and then PHP codes to be executed within this curly braces. A function name, how what is the ruling to name a function? A function name can start with a letter or alphabet and not with a number. Naming rule for function is same as for naming a variable in PHP. Remember, function names are case insensitive, while variables are case sensitive. So, for example, here we have created a function greet. We are not passing any argument here, and this greet function is actually printing hello students, welcome to the course on PHP and MySQL. But this function will not execute unless we call it. So we have to call this greet function, and then it will print hello students, welcome to the course on PHP and MySQL. Let us see it on the browser. So here, this is our PHP project site. Then this is the folder. Now we have to make a new file, add a new file. I'm giving name function.php. You can give it any name, function.php. Now we have to create a function. So just start PHP script within this and close it. Within this PHP script, we have to create function, and function is created using function keyword. Function, give the name, great. Within parenthesis, we are not passing any argument. So within this curly braces, we have to write PHP codes. So here we are simply printing a greet message. Hello students. Hello students. Welcome to the course of PHP and MySQL. Now we have to call it. So just call this way as it is. Now save it and press function 12. So it is printing hello students, welcome to the course of PHP and MySQL. In my presentation I have told you that function names are case insensitive, so we can use, we can in lowercase. So we are just putting g and now saving it, so it should call this the same function. It's working, so it is case insensitive. So let us get back to our presentation. Function argument. Arguments are used to pass information to the function. Arguments are specified after the function name inside the parenthesis. Function can accept as many arguments as one wants. Just need, separate them with a comma. So let us take it on the browser. Here we have declared a function print full name. It is taking two arguments, first name and last name, and then it is printing full name. So let us take it in the browser. So this is our Macromedia Dreamweaver. Here just comment this line where we have called the function greet. So now create another function using function keyword, function print full name, and pass the arguments $f name, comma, $l name, now parenthesis, and then within this we are printing the full name. We're printing full name, echo full name is just $f name space or $l name, then using a break statement, break, so that if we call it multiple times, then the output comes in new line. Now we have to call that function to execute it. Print full name, first argument, second argument, semicolon. So in first argument I'm passing the value Praveen. In the second argument I'm passing the value Kumar. So save it, press function 12. It is printing full name is Praveen Kumar. Now if we copy it, if we call it again and give some different argument, here I'm passing Nilesh. So it will print full name is Nilesh Kumar. Yes, it is. So now get back to our presentation. Function with default argument. A default argument is the value provided in function declaration which is automatically assigned to the arguments if caller of the function does not provide value for the argument. So here it is, we have defined a function trg center name, and then we are passing an argument $tname with a value arttc, and then printing training center name. So if we call the function and pass any argument, then it will use this value. If we don't pass the argument, then it will use this default value. Let us check it on the browser. So we have to comment these two lines where we have called the function. So create a function using function keyword, function, just give it a name, trg center name, and then $tname, pass one argument. I'm passing here arttc Ranchi, and then printing echo training center name is training center name is $tname space, giving a break, save it. Now we have to call the function. So trg center name and pass one argument $tname. So I'm passing a value RTTC Hyderabad. RTTC Hyderabad. Save it. Press function 12. Train center name is RTTC Hyderabad. Next, if we call this function without a value, without passing an argument, then what happens? Save it. Press function 12. ARTTC Raji. So if we pass the value of the argument, then it will use that value. If we don't pass the argument value for argument, it will use default value. Now come get back to our presentation. Function returning values. Functions which return some values after completing its execution. So here we have a function with product which is taking two argument as $fname first number and $lname last number, and then within the function uh, we are storing the product of these two numbers into another variable $prod and then returning this $prod. In many languages like C Sharp, Java, programmers must have to tell what type of data function is returning. But in PHP, we don't need to define what type of data it is returning. We are simply naming function product. We are not telling what type of data it will return. So let us check it on the browser. So just commenting these two lines where we have called the function so that the output doesn't come for these functions. So now we have to create a function using function keyword. Function product, two argument $fnum comma $lnum. Two argument is passed. Within this curly braces we have to write PHP codes. So here what I'm doing, $prod is equal to $fnum star $lnum. So product of these two numbers is being stored in $prod variable. So I just need to return it to $prod. Save it. Now call the function so that this product is calculated. So echo ten star 50 is equal to dot product 10 comma 50 comma break semicolon. Save it. Press function 12. Now 10 star 50 is equal to 500. Now if we call it again using different numbers, we can do it. Control C, Control V. We can change the numbers here. 15 star 25. So we have to change here also. 15 25. Now save it. Press function 12. It is showing the product. Now get back to our presentation. Thank you for watching the video. In my next video, I will be discussing about types of array in PHP. If you liked the video, then please like, subscribe and share it.